Another day in the life with your boy 72 Grand Prix boy. What up though? What's going on YouTube? Y'all alright? Hey, this is gonna be a quick video that I'm doing. It's gonna be on Angie. So pretty much gonna be putting front brakes and front rotors on, guys. And for the people that got old schools, guys and girls got old schools that don't know how to put pads on, that have to take their car to the shop and spend hundreds just to put rotors and pads on. This video is for you, especially if you just got your car and you get into the old school game and you want to learn how to do certain things. This video may help you. It took me a while to learn how to do stuff, and a lot I owe it to my brother and my mom's, but it's simple, guys. It's simple. So I'm gonna run you guys through it right quick. It may be a 10-15 minute video, and that's it. All right, I'll get back. All right, guys. So this is pretty much what you're gonna need to do the job what we're about to do. Okay, so you gotta have your wheel bearing grease. Okay, your pads, your socket, and this takes a T55 star bit. All right, you're gonna need your C-clamp, of course your rotor. So I'm switching over to slotted drill. I never had any before, so this will be the first time. Another thing too, guys, to check to see when you need to change your rotors, if you got groove marks in it, you see those groove marks? And if your rotor is warped, it's time to change it. Okay, so we're gonna try something new on Angie. And Detroit axle, guys, they're not bad, not too far from me here in the Motor City. If you want good quality parts, I suggest you mess with Detroit axle. CarQuest is pretty good too. They're pretty good. Your C-clamp, you need your C-clamp, your screwdriver, and your hammer. All right, guys, so this is the bit that you got to use. I don't know why GM went to this type of bit. Just a regular hex head with a socket would do fine. I don't know what they was thinking about back then, but you got two bolts, top bolt, bottom bolt. There we go. One bolt. Now we go up to the top bolt. Guys, they tripping over here with that bull crap. Sound like a cannon. All right, so you just got to maneuver around the brake hose. Okay, so it should be able to come right off, guys. There you go. So these brakes are really, pads are not that bad. They still got good meat on them. this is the back one here. So guys, when you first doing them for your first time and you're really kind of skeptical, just look at them how they're done when you take them off. As you can see, you got the clip right here, and you got the clip here, and you see the front. This one here is shaped differently. It has this piece right here that goes right in here. It goes like that. So always know that this here and this here is going to go here and here. Okay, so since I already got the pads and these got grooves, and I'm just gonna go ahead and change them, guys, anyway. All right, we're gonna take them off now. You can either set this up here like that, or you can let it hang, because we gotta pop this hub off. Guys, this is my first time using this this chest harness, so I hope I'm using it right. I hope you guys can see pretty good. All right, so you need a screwdriver and hammer for this, guys. You gotta stick a screwdriver in there so it won't move. All right, guys, so I took the cap off right here, pull the cotter pin off. This cotter pin has to come off right here in order for you to take this lug off. I mean, this nut right here off. I'm not used to this chest harness, guys. This is something I gotta get used to. So now you can take this off. This washer slides out. There's the bearing there. Just pull the whole thing out. Remember, guys, to put everything back the way it was before you took it off. So let's look at these bearings right quick. It's kind of hard to tell if bearings is bad or not. I guess when they don't roll, they roller bearings. People just go ahead and just change. They're getting on my nerves, that bull crap right there. So this is the back. This is the back bearing. It goes right here. So change them. Get with the other one. Front bearing. So I mean, you guys can have your way of doing it, but you just got to make sure that it's a lot on there. At least I like to make sure it's a lot on there. Actually, you got to do the back bearing first, guys. Let me set this on the side. Let me grab back bearing. Make sure you get it down in the seam, guys, on both sides, all around the rollers. Just slide it on there because it's gonna you can slide it on that way, or you can actually put it on the back of the rotor. Either or, it's still gonna go on one way. It can only go on one way. So like I said, everybody got their way of doing things. know I had a rag around here, guys. What I do with that rag? Man. All right, guys. It's already, I guess they call these like wheel bearing seals right here. So they come already with the new ones, so you don't have to replace them. But I like to just put wheel bearing grease in here, because you're gonna have wheel bearing grease on the part where the rotor goes on. So grab it. All right, guys, got the back bearing on, so you get your front bearing. Pack it with grease. The washer. It's simple, guys. It's real easy. So with this is the last step. You grab your cotter pin that we pulled out, this right here, and it's gonna go down in this hole. Only thing about it, you have to find a hole. You might have to I know that kind of sound a certain way, guys, but I found it on the first one. Okay, so stick it through and push it down, and that's gonna keep, the bearing from sliding out, which is not gonna slide out anyway, because once the lug goes on there and holds the tires, it's not gonna slide out, guys. So that's that. I have to say that drill slotted rotor looks pretty good on Angie, guys. Yeah, look pretty good. Make sure you guys, you pack your bearings real good with wheel bearing. This I got from well, it's made by CarQuest, but I had it for a while. I think I got it at AutoZone, but some good stuff. They have it in red too. Seen somebody online using the red kind. Grab your new pads. This the back one. These right here, they're gonna lay like a groove, and this piece right here, guys, is gonna go inside the cylinder. You just pop it in there like that, and you grab the front one. Remember what I said earlier, these points here and here, just slap it on there, hold it. You might have to hold both the pads before you get it on there. Caliper on there. Grab the top bolt. You gotta maneuver it around back there. See it come through. Grab the bottom one. Same thing. Till it come through. Start turning it by hand, guys. Grab your T55 and your ratchet. don't matter what bolt you start with first. But I like to start at the bottom and then come up to the top. You're gonna have to maneuver the brake hose line, get it out your way, be in the way. So once you got both bolts in, the top one and the bottom one, you can go ahead and tighten up the top one all the way. Always, guys, go back and check and give it an extra give it an extra All right, guys, that's it. Let's step back and look at Angie. Well, would you look at that? She pretty. She pretty. Look at the difference, guys. Big difference. Would you look at that, guys? That looks really good. Oh, I forgot. You gotta pop your hub bearing cap back on there. You can just get a hammer and pop it back on there. But guys, I never thought in years that I would actually be able to afford drill slotted rotors. These things were so much when they first came out. Man, that looks good on Angie. So there you have it, guys. It's simple. It's real simple. So if you got an old school and your brakes is scraping, rubbing, hey, it's easy to do. I just showed you. You ain't got to spend $25,000 to somebody that's gonna rob you blind. You can do them in your backyard, in your driveway, or whatever. You know, it's easy to do. The brakes, the rotors, and the bearings is simple. All right. So I hope I was able to help you guys. All right. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell so you know when I drop each and every video. Thanks for watching. I love y'all. Peace.